So now we're going to do some challenging questions here. I just want to see how we do on this. Okay, again, don't erase your graphs if you get it wrong. I just want to see how we do. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to show up an equation. I'm going to pop up an equation, and you're going to try to determine what you think that graph is going to look like. Okay, just do your absolute best based off what you know about what our pieces are now and how it's impacting our graph. Just see how you do. So here's your first equation. Okay, so f of x equals 1x plus -1. And on your paper, this is on question 5, I just want to see if you can guesstimate what that graph will look like. Okay, so pause the video, take 30 seconds to do it on your own, and then 30 seconds to collaborate with your group. So now that you're done with that collaboration, okay, I'm going to pop up this graph, and I want to see how close you were. So you should have gone something like this, okay? Notice how my line is crossing at -1 on the y-axis because our b is -1. So I put my first point. So how I graph is I put my first point on -1, and then I look at my slope, or my a and slash b, which is 1 in this case. Now, if it's 1, the fraction form of 1 is just 1 over 1, which means we're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay, and so after you run, y'all, after you go up and then you run, you should put a point. So up 1 over 1, put a point. Up 1 over 1, put a point. Up 1 over 1, put a point. Okay, I'm hoping I'm out there with you, so I'm hoping you're getting it.